Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting medical clinical scenario based MCQ session. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: hypothalamic hypophyseal portal blood vessels of the anterior pituitary gland. A 32-year-old woman presents with irregular menstruation and galactorrhea. Blood tests reveal elevated prolactin levels. Which hormone is most likely responsible for regulating prolactin secretion in this patient? The correct answer is prolactin inhibitory hormone, PIH. PIH, also known as dopamine, inhibits prolactin secretion from the anterior pituitary. Elevated prolactin levels in this patient suggest insufficient inhibition by PIH. A 50-year-old male with a history of chronic stress develops fatigue and weight loss. His ACTH and cortisol levels are both elevated. Which hormone is most likely responsible for stimulating ACTH release in this patient? The correct answer is corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH. CRH from the hypothalamus stimulates the release of ACTH from the anterior pituitary, which in turn stimulates cortisol production from the adrenal glands. Chronic stress can lead to sustained CRH and ACTH release. A 45-year-old female presents with an inability to lactate after childbirth. Hormonal testing reveals low prolactin levels. Which hormone is most likely involved in regulating prolactin secretion in this patient? The correct answer is prolactin inhibitory hormone, PIH. PIH, dopamine, inhibits prolactin secretion from the anterior pituitary. Low prolactin levels in this patient suggest excessive inhibition by PIH or other dysfunctions in the hypothalamic pituitary regulation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more clinical scenario-based MCQs.